Everyone here is a fighter, and every task we take on requires a fighting spirit. You've shown this spirit throughout your matches in this qualification journey. A key quality of a fighter is self-confidence. It's normal to make mistakes or face failures, but you should never let these shake your confidence. Stay strong, both individually and as a team. This morning, I see some of you discouraged because of mistakes made during the match. That's not the right attitude. Lift your heads high. Remember, as public figures, you don't belong just to yourselves. You belong to the people. Everything you do is for their happiness. Unlike us, who must sometimes make unpopular decisions and explain them, your sole mission is to win and bring joy to the people. I have followed all your matches. It's rare for me to miss a Stallions game. Yesterday I was slightly late, but joined in around the 20th minute and stopped everything else to watch. I saw several mistakes, and I knew we needed to discuss them today. Both individually and collectively, there's room for improvement. That said, I watched the match against Senegal and truly appreciated it. That game showed progress as we started to see the team moving as one cohesive unit, a block. When everyone pushes forward together and falls back together, it's clear there's collective effort, and that's a foundation to build on. I'm not a football expert, but it's clear that there's a strong sense of teamwork and collective effort in the way you play. If you keep pushing in this direction, there's a promising future ahead. So, don't lose confidence in yourselves or lose hope. Just keep working hard. That's all we ask to see. However, as someone who isn't an expert, I'd like to make a suggestion to the coach. The team needs a solid striker. The potential is there, but the team is missing that key player up front. Developing a reliable striker could make a huge difference. Understand me, find a striker within the team. That's what I've been saying for several matches now. From what I've seen, the team is missing that crucial element up front. Develop or create a strong striker, and I think that will make all the difference. As for the team overall, I really like the way you're playing right now, especially in the match against Senegal. You played very well, even though luck wasn't on your side. That happens sometimes. But I believe you can do even better. Next time you face that team, you'll need to win. Otherwise, adjustments to the game system may be necessary. I noticed the team moving as a unit, advancing and retreating in blocks, which was very effective. You took advantage of counterattacks, and that was excellent. However, the only thing missing was a striker who could capitalize on opportunities and score a goal, like in the match against Senegal yesterday. This detail makes a huge difference, especially against teams that play defensively in a block. If you can't break through, you need to try shots from distance. They can catch the opposition by surprise. Individually, everyone has room to improve, whether in positioning, movement, or finishing. But I'll leave the specifics to the technical staff. They know exactly what I mean. Keep working hard, and success will follow. There are just a few small adjustments needed, but overall, things are looking good. The key focus during this transition phase has been building cohesion within the team, and I believe you've achieved that. Congratulations to the technical staff for successfully bringing the team back to the fundamentals. This is a great accomplishment. I encourage you to continue in this direction because we need a strong, unified team that can bring joy to the people. This is what sets you apart, your ability to inspire and uplift through your performance. Keep building on this progress. You don't have the luxury of making decisions. You are here to bring joy to the people. That is your mission. Against Senegal, the performance didn't necessarily disappoint the people, but yesterday, many were let down. However, this shouldn't discourage you. Instead, it should motivate you to push harder and give your best. Missing a goal isn't the end of the world. It doesn't mean failure. What I want from you is to embrace the mindset of a fighter, where mistakes are lessons, not defeats. Mistakes happen, but they're part of the journey. Not every battle will be a victory, and losses are inevitable. What matters most is recognizing what went wrong, adjusting, and moving forward without giving up. If we had let setbacks crush our morale, we wouldn't have made it this far. We wouldn't have lasted these 2 years, despite facing countless obstacles. We are just as young as you. And youth means resilience. A young person doesn't lose hope. They hold on to self-confidence and optimism. That's why I emphasize confidence. It must be your guiding force. You should never be afraid. Missing the goal against Senegal shouldn't stop you from taking initiatives or stepping up. Instead, it should motivate you to try again, to push forward, and to make up for that miss one day, no matter what. Fear has no place here. Don't hesitate or hold back just to avoid mistakes. There are moments when you must take the initiative, whether it succeeds or not. That's part of the game. That's why I emphasize this. Keep pushing forward confidently. The coach has created a striker, and that's it. We understand each other. The fighters on the ground, they don't have TVs, they don't have anything but SMS to follow the match, and that keeps them motivated. We've been on the field, so we know what we're talking about. When the Stallions win, the atmosphere is different. There are players who are tired, who may lack the will to stand strong, but when the match is over, they can still stand guard for 24 hours if needed. Every moment counts, so you have to keep pushing forward. Keep this in mind. Every time you take the field, you're not just playing for yourself, you're saving thousands of lives. Your efforts inspire the fighters on the ground, just like the FDS and the VDP. It's the same for them. So, take this mission seriously. Use the current challenges to fuel your drive and make a mark. Every victory will make the flag of Burkina Faso fly higher. As you've said, this is your time, especially in the World Cup qualifiers. Keep pushing forward. The nation is counting on you. Above all, be ready and prepared, because it's crucial. Preparation should be a constant focus. And whenever the opportunity arises, gather people together, put systems in place, and build something meaningful. Stay connected, even off the field. Cohesion must continue. As long as you're together, keep communicating and supporting each other. Confidence in yourself is key. It's vital for success. Yes, you are capable of achieving great things. You are capable of achieving so much more than you realize. So trust in yourself, both individually and as a team. That's all I ask of you. I want to stress this again. Have confidence in yourself. Let's make a commitment today that we will not disappoint, and I am counting on you. The phrase fatherland or death is not just words. It's a call to action. We will win, and we must win at all costs in this fight. I'm expecting something great from you, Captain. Let's take this on together. Is the commitment understood today? Thank you very much, and I wish you the best of luck.